Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at Autocad versus Solidworks. Which one is better? While Autocad and Solidworks are both industry-leading software solutions, but they do cater to different stages of the product design process. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pros and cons of each for you to decide which tool is the best for your project. Let's go ahead with the video. First of all, let's take a look at Autocad pros. Well, Autocad excels in creating precise 2D drawings with detailed annotations, dimensions, and layouts. This is crucial for generating production drawings, architectural plans, and other technical documentation. And across various engineering disciplines, Autocad is widely recognized as the standard for 2D drafting. This ensures compatibility with other software and facilitates collaboration with different teams. And beyond 2D drafting, Autocad offers basic 3D modeling capabilities. This allows you to create simple 3D models for visualization or initial design concepts. And Autocad boasts a vast user base with extensive online tutorials, forums, and learning resources. This makes it easier to find support and training materials. And while it is not free, Autocad offers subscription plans that can be budget-friendly, especially for individual users or smaller teams. Now let's take a look at the cons of Autocad. While Autocad's 3D modeling capabilities are not as robust or user-friendly as dedicated 3D modeling softwares like Solidworks, complex 3D designs and assemblies might be challenging to create in Autocad. The interface and tools in Autocad are primarily geared towards 2D drafting. Transitioning to 3D design with Autocad might require additional effort compared to SolidWorks' 3D-centric environment. And Autocad offers fewer automated features for repetitive tasks compared to SolidWorks. This can lead to increased time spent on tasks like creating assembly components or generating reports. And Autocad's built-in collaboration features might be basic compared to modern design software with real-time co-editing functionalities. Now let's take a look at the pros of SolidWorks. While SolidWorks is renowned for its intuitive and user-friendly interface for creating complex 3D models, it offers a vast library of parts, features, and tools for designing intricate mechanical components and assemblies. And SolidWorks excels at managing large and complex assemblies. Features like automatic part positioning, collision detection, and interference checking streamline the assembly design process. And SolidWorks offers features for automating repetitive tasks and performing simulations. This allows you to analyze stress, motion, and other engineering factors within your designs. And SolidWorks integrates seamlessly with project management tools and offers data management functionalities. This facilitates collaboration within teams and ensures version control for design iterations. And now SolidWorks allows for creating high-quality visualizations and photorealistic renderings of your designs. This aids in product presentations, marketing materials, and user manuals. Now let's take a look at the cons of SolidWorks. While SolidWorks' 3D-focused environment and advanced features might have a steeper learning curve compared to Autocad's basic 3D modeling capabilities. Subscription for SolidWorks can be more expensive than Autocad, especially for individual users or smaller teams. The cost might not be justifiable if your project primarily requires 2D drafting. And while SolidWorks allows for creating 2D drawings from 3D models, it might not be as efficient or user-friendly for pure 2D drafting tasks compared to Autocad. And compared to Autocad, SolidWorks has a smaller user base. This might translate to fewer readily available online learning resources or troubleshooting assistance. And for projects requiring basic 3D models or limited assembly features, SolidWorks' robust functionalities might be overkill and could be more efficiently handled with Autocad. So, which is better? Well, the choice between Autocad and SolidWorks hinges on your project's specific needs. Go ahead and choose Autocad if your project prioritizes precise 2D drawings, it requires industry-standard drafting for collaboration, or you have budget constraints and need a versatile tool for basic 3D visualization. Go ahead and choose SolidWorks if your project involves complex 3D modeling, intricate assemblies, design simulation, and requires advanced features for managing and collaborating on 3D designs. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your specific project needs and resources. Consider factors like project complexity, budget, team expertise, and desired functionalities before making your choice. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.